How to delete multiple emails on Outlook. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of TechTube. If you have received tons of emails that you don't want anymore and you're trying to remove them, let me show you the quick process of doing that. Now before I move on and show you, subscribe to this channel if you are new here and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more uploads that we do. First of all, head over to your Outlook app. You can also do this process within the website of Outlook. So once you open up your Outlook, you can see there are two tabs, the focused and others. You can do the same and remove emails from both of these sections. So what you need to do is just tap and hold a particular email and this email will be selected, which you can see by this check mark. Now to select multiple emails, you just need to select them like this. And the check mark will also appear right here. Now to delete them, you can tap on the trash can icon on the top and these emails will be removed from the focus or the other section. But however, they are still remaining on the deleted tab or the deleted section of Outlook. To permanently delete them, you need to tap on the Outlook logo on the top left and here you'll have section of deleted. Through this section, all of the emails that you removed from the inbox will be added to the deleted section. Now to remove them from here as well, you can repeat the same process. Tap and hold the message or the email and you can select multiple emails and tap on the trash can icon on the top. This way all of those emails will be completely removed from your Outlook account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.